Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to cook perfect scrambled eggs. This way of cooking scrambled eggs takes a little longer, but it only takes the same amount of time for your bacon to finish cooking. This will give you the softest, silkiest scrambled eggs you've ever had. To start, crack 3 eggs per person into a bowl. I find 3 is about the right amount for each person, but if you want more or less, it's up to you. Add a splash of milk. Whisk the eggs and milk until they're fully combined. The trick is not to overbeat your eggs. I heard the magic number is around 80 times maximum. Next, place a pot over low heat before adding a small amount of butter. We're using a pot instead of a pan because we want to keep the eggs away from the heat source as much as possible. Add your eggs to the pot. Stir every 30 seconds for about 7 to 8 minutes. This will slowly heat the egg mixture. You'll start to notice steam coming off the pot about the 8-minute mark. This is a sign that it's time to start stirring continuously. Make sure to run the spoon around the edges and through the middle because we want to keep these eggs moving. You'll start to notice the eggs are starting to scramble. Continue to stir, making sure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pot. This last part should only take about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the eggs are about 3/4 scrambled, turn off the heat and continue stirring. The eggs in the pot are now hot enough for them to continue cooking by themselves so they don't overcook. Once the eggs are scrambled to your liking, all that's left to do is to serve them up. There you have it, perfect scrambled eggs. These scrambled eggs are soft and beautifully silky. It may take an extra couple of minutes, but it's well worth it. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.